Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will present the sixth material, namely about the cost function and revenue function. Definition of function is a concept in economics that describes the relationship between the amount of production or output and the cost required to achieve that production. The cost function measures how much it costs a company or business to produce certain good or service. Then the following are the types of cost function. 1. Fixed costs. Fixed costs are costs that do not change with production level or production volume. This means fixed costs remain constant no matter how many products are produced. Examples of fixed costs include building rent or mortgage, fixed equipment costs, management salaries, and insurance. 2. Variable costs. Variable costs are costs that change with the level of production or production volume. It increases or decreases according to the extent to which production is increased or reduced. Example of variable costs include raw material, direct labor wage, cost of auxiliary material, and cost of energy used in production. 3. Total costs. Total costs are the total amount of production costs of fixed costs and variable costs. This is the total of all costs incurred by the company in the production process. 4. Average total cost. Average total costs are total costs divided by the amount of production output. It provides an idea of the average cost required to produce one unit of a good or service. The formula is average total cost is total cost shared quantity of output. 5. Average variable cost. Average variable costs are variable costs divided by the amount of production output. It reflects the average cost associated with factor of production that change with the level of production. The formula is average variable cost is variable cost output shared quantity of output. 6. Marginal costs. Marginal costs are the additional costs incurred to produce one additional unit of a good or service. These help companies determine the extent to which additional production is still profitable. Additional to which additional production is still profitable. Marginal costs can be formed by calculating the change in cost when an additional unit is produced. The following is the formula and graph of the most function. Next, about the revenue function is a concept in economics that describes the relationship between the amount of production or sales and the income received by a company or business. The revenue function can have various aspects of revenue, including total revenue, average revenue, and marginal revenue. The type of reception function are 1. Total revenue. Total revenue is the amount of income received by a company from the sale of a unit of product or service in a certain time period. The selling price per unit by the number of units sold. 2. Average revenue. Average revenue is the income per unit of product received by the company, generated by dividing total received by the number of units sold in a perfectly competitive market. Average revenue is usually equal to the selling price per unit. 3. Marginal revenue. Marginal revenue is the additional income received from the sale of one additional unit of product. This is often not the same as a selling price per unit and might decrease or increase depending on market structure. Companies usually maximize profit when marginal revenue equal marginal cost. The following is the formula and graph of the revenue function. Okay, let's get right to the question. Thank you for watching. I hope it's useful. I will end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.